Welcome back to Autosport Designs, Lotus Motor Cars of Long Island. Today we're going to be looking at this 2010 Lotus Evora 2+2. Beautiful carbon gray with a tremendous paprika interior. Hop on in, do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. All right, so here we are in our 2010 Evora. It's a 2+2. First year for the Evora for the United States. Turn the key on. She fires right up as you'd expect. It's got a factory sport muffler on it. It's also been upgraded. It's got black powder-coated wheels, the same wheels that came with it from new. They've just been black powder-coated. It's also been upgraded with a diff flow diffuser in the rear. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. Okay, we have a little temp in our 2010 Evora. Great 6-speed manual car. V6, normally aspirated, 276 horsepower, only 3,000 pounds, so great power to weight ratio, very precise steering, clutch gearbox in this car, in these cars in general, but in this car specifically, with the super low mileage, it's got around 7,000 miles on it, works as you'd expect, handles great, no squeaks, no rattles, do a little downshift here. Get a little sound out of that factory sport muffler, but the handling in these cars is so nice, so responsive, yet so supple. You could drive it around, take it to dinner, to the movies, wherever you'd like to go. Test the brakes here at the stop sign, very nice. Effortless shifting. Nice simplistic gauge layout too. Get your tire pressure monitoring, temperature, fuel, speedo, and tachometer. This car also has cruise control. It's got navigation, Bluetooth stereo. But they really did build a great car. Chassis is so forgiving. Yet you put it through its paces and it handles so well. Great little exhaust note. Really well-built car. Well-engineered car. Really a big fan of these. We'll come up here to the S's and we'll put her through her paces a little more. All right, we're in sport mode now. Even better exhaust note, opens up the airbox, raises red line, improves fuel mapping, even better throttle response in sport mode. We're going to come up here and we'll do some flybys for you so you can take a look how much of a good looking car this is. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely did. Again, our 2010 Lotus Evora, 6-speed manual car. We've been a dealer since 2009. I actually had one of these when they were brand new. I had a 2010 carbon gray, but it had a black interior. Drove that car for about a year. I loved it. Very usable, very just enjoyable car to drive. Great little exhaust note. This car with the Paprika interior, I think really sets it apart, especially with the low mileage. Very well optioned, and then further upgraded with the powder coated wheels, diff flow diffuser, factory sport muffler. We'll come up to the farm road and we'll run her through the gears. Okay, so we're going to come up to the farm road here. We're going to let these cars get out of the way a little bit so we can run her through the gears a little bit. But this car also has Tech Pack, Premium Pack, Sport Pack, which includes Sport Ratio Gearbox, which is really nice, again, for performance-oriented driving, especially in sport mode. We'll get on it here a little bit. My goodness, what a great, great sound. Again, 6-speed manual gearbox. You also get shift lights, the telltale lights that'll come up in the gauge cluster, tell you when to shift. But very well options. Also been upgraded with the later head unit, still an Alpine, but the better head unit. Really great little car. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment below as well, and we will catch you on the next one.